Love in the Abyss. The extraordinary life of the anglerfish. Imagine a world where the sun never shines, where the pressure could crush steel, where temperature hovered just above freezing, and where finding a partner could mean the difference between life and death. Welcome to the deep sea, one of Earth's most hostile yet fascinating environments. Today, I am going to take you into the darkest depths of our ocean to talk about one of nature's most bizarre and captivating creatures, the anglerfish. Specifically, I want to discuss something that makes them truly unforgettable: the extraordinary relationship between the male and female anglerfish throughout their lifespan. Let us start with the female anglerfish, the one most of us picture when we think of this creature. She is the large, terrifying looking predator you may have seen in documentaries. She can grow up to 18 to 120 centimeters long and is equipped with a bioluminescent lure called an esca, a glowing appendage that extends from her head. This lure works like a lantern in the darkness, attracting curious prey directly to her sharp, translucent teeth. She is built for survival and dominance. The male, on the other hand, is a completely different story. He is significantly smaller, sometimes less than 3 centimeters long, and he is born without a functional digestive system. This means he cannot feed on his own. From the very moment of his birth, the male anglerfish has one biological mission: to find a female before he starves to death. And when he finds her, guided by scent and the faint chemical signals she releases into the water, something almost unbelievable happens. He bites into her body, and through a process called sexual parasitism, his tissues fuse with hers. His eyes degenerate, his organs dissolve. He loses his individual identity entirely. Over time, the male becomes a permanent biological attachment to the female, essentially becoming a sperm producing organ that she carries with her for the rest of her life. Scientists call this phenomenon obligate sexual parasitism. What is even more remarkable is that a single female can carry multiple males fused to her body at once. In exchange, she supplies him with blood and therefore nutrients, keeping him alive indefinitely. In a way, they become one organism. The the anglerfish reminds us that nature does not follow our rules. What might appear grotesque to us is in biological terms a perfectly evolved strategy for survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The relationship, strange as strange as it may be, is one of the most intimate bonds in all of the animal kingdom. So the next time you think about love and sacrifice, remember the anglerfish, a creature that literally gives up its entire self, its eyes, its body, its independence, just to survive alongside its partner in the deep, dark sea. Thank you.